Yes, so I'm back. So, chapter 1 in civics, we'll do political and social life, page 184. Okay, unity in diversity. What is unity in diversity? Our planet has different kinds of people. Each has specific languages and unique traditions. They follow different religions and cultures. These differences enrich our lives. Okay. India is a large country. Different parts of the country have different customs, languages, dress, and food habits. The main religions in India are Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism, Christianity, and Zoroastrianism. The Indian Constitution recognizes the right for everyone to practice any religion and develop their own language and culture. We all are one despite of our differences. Our culture today consists of ideas, beliefs, customs, art, religion, music, and dance. Okay. The food habits of the people, the festivals they celebrate, their art and handicrafts are all part of their culture. Now, my explanation starts. With the book, I'll come later. What is diversity? And it means, understanding. You are sitting next to someone, understanding that each individual is unique and recognizing our individual differences. Now, this can be along the dimensions of race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, socio-economic status, age, physical abilities, religious belief, political beliefs, or other ideologies. Depends on each and every person. Each and every person has these dimensions. What race they are coming from, what is their race means, what is their forefathers, their life history, ethnicity, what they follow, gender, male or female, sexual orientation, what type of group they are, socio-economic status, what is the status in the society, age, physical abilities, religious beliefs, political beliefs, and other ideas. We have to respect. Okay, that is diversity, first of all. If I give you an example, diversity can be having many different elements. For example, in your class, diversity in a classroom, full of children of different backgrounds. Class, you are 31 students, right? But anyways, you are 25. So 25 children and 25 different ways, 25 different people, but we respect each other, right? No matter what background you come from, no matter what religion you are from, no matter what you eat, how you eat, what you like to cook, but generally, as you are from Bihar, your food consists of that culture. But I am from Bengal, I eat your food, the food which is generally used locally or normally which is cooked here. I respect that, that is diversity. I don't go around throwing tantrums, oh, this is not good, in my house I used to have this. That is against diversity. Simple example. It's not only just reading civics and doing the question answer. You have to understand. Then only you will be able to vote. when you grow 18. Now, why is, I mean to say, why is your diversity important? It helps to remove that stereotype and personal bias which we have against different groups. In addition, cultural diversity helps to recognize, respect ways of being that are not necessarily our own. Taekwondo is not your self-defense art. Your self-defense art, you take a stone or you'll take a stick and you'll start hitting someone. Taekwondo, you are accepting that culture, you are learning that culture, you are giving respect to it, isn't it? That's from Korea, I guess. Korean self-defense from Korea, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know so much about Taekwondo. But we have respected that culture in India. So many people are earning from that money. Source of food is coming from Taekwondo because they are teaching. So they respect it. That is a helps us to recognize and respect ways of being that are not necessarily our own. That is not our own. So that we can interact with others. We can build bridges to trust, respect and understanding across our cultures. What my point? What I'm trying to say? That is diversity. Now suppose, I'm giving my example. Suppose there is a procession going of your Diwali procession or your Durga Puja procession is going. Some good holy songs are playing. I go and put on my some type of music whichever I like. Will it do? No, I have to respect. Marriage procession is going. I go and stop the marriage procession. You stop. You are Hindu and I am staying here. I don't like so much of sound. Get out. Stop all this. No, I can't. I have to respect the culture. I have to respect the diversity. Each and every individual is unique. But yes, if you feel disturbed at point of times, you have to say it. There are polite ways to say it. There is government rules. You can't make so much of noise. You cannot just go ahead and do anything you want, isn't it? So it is like that. Diversity. Okay. Now, what are the 4 types of diversity do we have? If I say it is important which is not our own, we accept it. Karate is not ours, we accept karate. Kabaddi is ours. Many people accept Kabaddi. Kabaddi is having that 2020 type of thing also. Cricket, we accepted. It was from British. Today, India rules over cricket. One of the world's best players we have. Diversity. Cultural diversity is important. Today, you will go out from one culture to another culture. Suppose you go to the US. You are wearing jeans, you are wearing sleeveless, you are wearing t-shirts, you are wearing Puma shoes, you are wearing Nike. Where are these coming from? This is all Western culture. You are accepting that culture, right? That is diversity. Respecting of what which is not. Diversity has got type of dimensions in the workplace. 4 diversities. Race, age, national origin, ethnicity, gender, sexual appearance, physical ability, mental ability. You must respect everybody's. Understand? That has to be done. Then only you can become a good citizen. In one word, we can say that we are trying to create diversity in our workplace. Our oceans are home to a rich of diversity species. It is the diversity of wildlife that many travel to Africa to see it. There is diversity of underwater habitats present there. That is diversity. We love wildlife, we go to the jungle to see that. We accept it. That's not our life, but we go to, we respect it. There was a tiger on Madhya Pradesh highway, I guess last week or something. I had read it on the news and I was watching the video. This tiger, that road crosses through the forest department area. So the tigress came and was lying on the road and resting and panting. All traffic stopped. They respected that animal. Okay, he's come, she's come, or he's come, she's sitting there resting. Let's call the police or the forest department office and let her rest and she can move. No one started blowing horns or busting bombs or shot the tiger or nothing. Diversity. Small things. How do we show respect to diversity? What is that? We all have biases. We do get angry about some things. We get to know someone different than you. Invite input from others with different backgrounds. Bring together diverse groups for innovation. You get ideas. You respect religious holidays. Now during Chhath Puja, if I say, no, I am a Christian, I want school to be open, I am going to teach that, it's not my holiday, I don't care. What will Bihar do? They'll tie me up on the tree and they'll give me left, right, center. But the same thing you do on Christmas also, you enjoy. You send cards, you send wishes, you respect my religious affairs also. Right? So, religious holidays we have, these are called religious holidays. So, I also respect it, everyone respects it, Find someone with a different background who shares the same company goal with you and strategize them. Isn't it? You find someone from a different background, but you are working in the same place. Now you are working in the school. You are teaching. You are studying in the school. Same background. You are working in the same. You are studying in the same class, but your goal is to do well in school, study. And there is another person who is from a different background who wants to do the same thing. So you together get together. We have to do this. Like in the March past. You are different, but you want to get the March past done properly, then you share your ideas, you think, or whatever you tell me, sir, if we can do it this way, do it that way. That is diversity. How do we show respect to it? Okay. So next class I'll come back and then we'll finish this. It is Friday, Monday we'll do it. See you, bye-bye, take care, and try to read the chapter, understand, just not question answer, and learn, so that you can be a good citizen and you are the future. After this pandemic, the future is in front of you. You are the future of India. Okay, so take care of yourselves, be good, and love your parents and respect them, and don't upset them. Make them happy as much as you can, and you also be happy at the same time. Eat, sleep, enjoy life, and study also, and do whatever you want after you do your studies. Bye-bye.